takeandtalkpics.com. I'm Rob Kruger, and this is episode 58 with the Monday Message. Hey, Photo World. I had a lot of fun on the last webinar we did there, and I want to get more of this interaction happening, so sign up today. Head over to the webinar tab on takeandtalkpics.com. You can register from there. Hey, Photo World. Rob Kruger here, Take and Talk Pics. This is a Monday Message, and it's going to be a quick one because I'm on vacation, and that's all I really want to talk to you about. We run our businesses, we bust our butts to make them effective and move forward and grow and keep building it, getting more clients, more work. But what does that come with? Less time and a lot more that you have to do. So what I say is you need to put in your schedule some relaxation time. You need to reward yourself those little victories. You know, the work you put into it needs to be paid for with some motivation. And I think if you have the time, take it. If you don't have the money, try to make it, so that way you can actually have a little bit of a relaxation time, a vacation. I'm out here in Wisconsin Dells, which isn't a big trip for me from Chicago, but I do it every year. And it's really nice to just have a weekend where I can get away, do a little bit of camping, hang out at a water park, just have a good time and not really think about those emails, not really think about a job that I have going on. And yeah, I got to go back this week and edit a little over 10,000 pictures from recent weddings and jobs. But I'm not thinking about it too much other than telling you now. So just remember to reward yourself on those little victories. That's what's going to keep you motivated to keep going. Because when those big ones come, where you actually earned it, you're going to deserve something greater than just a small weekend vacation. And I think you'll be more willing to do it then. But you have to keep it up, moving one after another. I'm not going to stick around too long or keep you here waiting. But, wow, short one, about 2 minutes. Thanks for tuning in. Be here on Wednesday for our interview. I'll see you. Happy shooting. Photo World, we have to improve our skills. It's just the nature of the beast. We cannot stay stagnant or else we'll be left behind in the dust of the competition. Start with a 10-day free trial to lynda.com. Head over to the affiliates page on Take and Talk Pics and start improving your skills today. TakeandTalkPics.com. Thank you again for joining us today, and we really appreciate you stopping by. Make sure you share this with your friends and photo family out there. We'll see you next time. This is Rob Kruger. Happy shooting.